Good evening and welcome to the Daily Market Update. The DSEX ended flat today, marginally losing 3.10 points or 0.06% and settled at 5,106 points. Market turnover was 6.06 billion Bangladeshi takas, which is a decrease of 9.59% compared to the previous trading day. Islami Bank and BRAC Bank from the banking sector, Grameenphone from the telecommunications sector, and British American Tobacco from the food and allied sector mainly dragged the market down today. On the other hand, Square Pharmaceuticals from the pharmaceutical sector, Pragati Life Insurance and Pragati Insurance from the insurance sector, and Walton High Tech from the industrial sector mainly pulled the market up today, keeping it flat. In terms of sector-wise return, the insurance sector posted the highest gain of 1.98%, while the fuel and power sector registered the second highest gain of 0.59%. On the other hand, the mutual fund sector posted the highest loss of 1.00% today. 10 mutual funds were among the top 20 losers today. From Finance and Investment, Far East Finance and Investment, and Daffodil Computers registered the highest gain, while ICB AMCL Second Mutual, Talu Spinning Mills, and Reliance One, the first scheme of Reliance Insurance Mutual, were the top losers today. There was no disclosed price-sensitive information for these stocks. The trading volume of Premier Leasing and Finance, Apex Tannery, and Heidelberg Cement Bangladesh increased significantly today compared to the average trading volume of the last 3 months. There is no publicly disclosed material reason for the volume increase of these stocks. Today's top 2 news: revenue mobilization by the National Board of Revenue, NBR, grew by 14% year-on-year in the July to December period of fiscal year 2025-26, yet the collection still fell short of the target by a sizable 68,995 crore Bangladeshi takas, widening from a 57,891 crore Bangladeshi takas gap a year earlier. Officials and analysts say the miss largely reflects overly ambitious revenue goals, compounded by slower than expected economic activity and weak drive at the field level to curb tax evasion. The figures highlight that while revenues are rising, aligning targets with ground realities and strengthening enforcement remain crucial to turning growth into lasting fiscal strength. The yield on 10-year Bangladesh government treasury bonds, BGTBs, fell on Tuesday, easing to 10.49% from the previous 10.87%, as the central bank bought an additional 45 million United States dollars from 2 commercial banks to help stabilize the US dollar's exchange rate. The move reflects continued intervention in the forex market, signaling the central bank's commitment to maintaining currency stability while supporting orderly financial conditions in the bond market. That's all for today. Thank you.